I needed to set up a work area in our master bedroom, and I did not want to ruin the floor. My husband has already ruined the carpet in our office, and I needed a smart way to protect this carpet because it's a lot cheaper to buy this floor mat than it is to buy all new carpet. Some things that really stand out to me, I really like that it is a stylish, transparent, solid glass solution that supports up to 1,000 pounds. It does have this lovely beveled edge, helps so much if you're rolling from the carpet onto the glass. And when you do, this thing does not shift. It is surprisingly heavy, so heads up when you pick up the box, but you can see how well it rolls on the glass, and with that bevel it rolls easily from the carpet to the glass, no issue there. I also, if I can run my vacuum cleaner over it or just use standard glass cleaner if I want. You do need to separate metal from the glass to protect lifetime warranty on this, so I am going to be adding little plastic pieces, but I love that it can go all the way to the wall. I love the curved edges, and I feel good about it being in my home. It's renewable natural silica sand made into the glass, so no BPA, no phthalates, which is fantastic for household. And just a heads up about packaging, it arrives really well packaged. It does have instructions, plastic if you're putting it on a non-carpeted surface, and everything is just really well protected. So overall, I love it. It's a one-time investment. I'll be shocked if I ever need to replace this. It fits my desk perfectly. It slides and glides easily. It's durable. I love that it's friendly for my home. Lifetime warranty. Super pleased with this. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.